Welcome back to World Car. Please like, share and subscribe. The Nissan M226 is a heavy-duty rear axle commonly found in Nissan's full-size trucks and SUVs. It's designed to handle high torque and heavy loads, making it a preferred choice for off-road enthusiasts and those who require strong towing capabilities. The axle features a robust 12-bolt differential cover and an 8.2-inch ring gear, which contribute to its durability and strength. It typically comes with a semi-floating design, though some variants offer a full floating setup for even greater strength. The M226 is known for its compatibility with various gear ratios, usually ranging from 3.36 to 4.10, providing options for those looking to customize performance and handling. Constructed with high-quality steel, the M226 offers excellent resistance to wear and tear, even under harsh conditions. The axle shafts are designed to provide a balanced combination of flexibility and strength, allowing them to absorb significant shocks without breaking. The differential is designed to distribute torque efficiently between the wheels, enhancing traction during off-road use or in low traction conditions. Maintenance of the M226 is relatively straightforward, thanks to its simple yet sturdy design. Regular fluid changes and inspections can ensure its longevity. Aftermarket support for the M226 is considerable, with options for differential lockers, upgraded gears, and stronger axles readily available. This makes it popular among off-road enthusiasts looking to enhance performance. The axle's performance on the road is smooth, providing a balanced driving experience with excellent stability during heavy loads. Off-road, the M226 excels with its durability and efficient power distribution. Its ability to withstand extreme conditions makes it a reliable choice for truck owners who regularly tackle challenging terrains. Common issues with the M226 are usually related to excessive wear due to heavy loads or improper maintenance. The axle seals and bearings can occasionally fail if not maintained properly, especially in vehicles used extensively for towing or off-roading. However, the availability of aftermarket parts makes repairs and upgrades relatively easy. The M226's strength and versatility make it a reliable choice for those who need a rugged, capable axle. Its straightforward maintenance requirements and ample aftermarket support add to its appeal. While it may not be the most advanced axle in terms of technology, its tried-and-true design continues to make it a popular choice among truck and SUV owners.